Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the Amazon 7-inch Fire tablet, and I actually purchased this back in 2016. I purchased a couple for Christmas gifts and ended up buying one for myself along with this cover and sort of forgot about it. So I thought I'd open it up, take a look at it, and looking at the description, they have a new generation of the tablets. This particular one, I don't see too much of a difference. They've made them a little bit thinner and lighter. But other than that, it's got the same processor. So this one here has a 7-inch IPS display. Did not know what that was. Looked it up. It's the technology in planar switching technology for this display. It has Alexa. It's a 1.3 gigahertz quad-core processor. The internal storage you can opt for 8 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes, and of course the 16 gigabytes is going to cost you a little bit more. And the external storage can be expanded up to 200 gigabytes with an SD card, and it has on average 7 hours of battery life. Now the next generation, it's the same 7-inch, has the same advertised in the description as the same 7-inch IPS display, Alexa, a 1.3 gigahertz quad-core processor, internal storage the same, 8 or 16 gigabytes. The external storage is increased a little bit. You can get up to 256 gigabytes, and the new battery life on the next generation is up to 8 hours. The next generation is advertised as just thinner and lighter and longer battery life. So I'd have to have a side-by-side comparison. I don't have the newer one. So let's take a look inside. Probably, I would think, have to charge this. Let me open this up here. If I just rip open the bag or try to do it neatly. Okay, that opened up. Box it comes in. So let's open this up. Just notice there's a tab here. Let's rip this up off like that. Slide this out. All right, I was wondering where the adapter was. It's on the fatter side on the end there. So yeah, I would imagine that I need to plug this in by now. So that's the size. Just take this film off. That's really going to show prints. I think I might have bought some protective film for this. I think I did. I seem to recall. But that's the relative, that's what it looks like compared to my hands. Where's the on button? There's the SD card slot. So it has a VGA front-facing camera plus a 2 megapixel rear-facing camera with 720p HD video recording. So you can read all these specs on Amazon's website. But there's the camera on the front and the one on the back in the corner. So again, probably not going to turn on. We'll see. Yeah, no. Oh, I'm going to have to charge this up. So here's the charger. Let's plug this in.
So as soon as I plugged it in, it said Amazon and then fire. I didn't think it was going to do anything. Oh, maybe it was booting up because I think I just saw it's 72% charge. So maybe I just didn't wait long enough. So you can see here there's a language set up.
All right, so I had to go turn on my wireless router, and I went through the initial setup, and it looks like they have a tutorial that they step you through. Now, I was just tapping this. I was going on the pressure of my Samsung tablet, but this you actually have to press down. So home page displays a list of your installed apps. Quickly find your recently opened content by swiping to the recent page. Anyways, it's a tutorial that they start you off with. Shows you how to navigate. I'll just exit this. And there's the app page. So it's a little bit of a delay there than what I'm used to with the Samsung tablet that I have. There it goes. That was a little bit quicker. So I'm a little curious. I read an article over a month ago now that Google and Amazon were in a dispute, and Amazon was not selling any of Google's products, listing them on their website, and Google was retaliating by not allowing you have the Amazon Fire TV. They weren't going to allow YouTube videos to be played on the line of Fire TV products and I guess the Fire tablet products. So where is the YouTube app? I wonder if it's even here, or I have to add that right now. All right, so I looked up YouTube here, searched YouTube, and I guess this is the app that has the most downloads. Is there another one? That doesn't look promising. Oh, is that it? Get. I'm supposed to tap? I have to get used to this feel here. I can't tell if anything's going on. So it took a minute to enter in my email address and password, but I finally have this set up so I can take a look at one of my videos here.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have some fluorescent shop lights.
Okay, here's the audio. I have closed caption automatically working on this app here. That's interesting. I don't think that's associated with YouTube. Is that just from the app? Do I have closed caption turned on? But yeah, so I'm playing the video from my channel. That's pretty good quality. I don't know, I saw some comments about the quality, but it seemed okay to me. No complaints there. It's a very, you have to get used to the response of this. How am I supposed to go Let's see, photos. Oops. How do you get to the camera? Oh, there are the apps right there. So we have YouTube, Hulu, Facebook. What's that, iHeartRadio? Is this PayPal? Is that the new PayPal? Oh, Pandora. Yeah, so I don't know what a lot of these are. This here, Spotify, Pinterest. Is that Pinterest? I know that one. Netflix. I did not know that. Is that Netflix new symbol? They don't actually just say Netflix. So here's the camera. And if I want to take a picture of something, here's the quality. Take a picture. Video. So it's recording. Stop. It's processing. And now we should be able to play that video. Wow, that's okay. There we go. And play it. So it's recording audio too. Can trash it. Delete it. Delete all copies from cloud drive. Is this already on the cloud? So watch out what you're recording. And that's just a picture. Trash. Delete all copies from the cloud drive. Trash. Don't know how to exit this. Oh, that's the front-facing camera. Panorama, image view, lenticular. I don't know how to get out of this. Now here is fire cover. Let's take a look at this. So it just slides in. This is a rigid cover. I think it just presses in. Make sure the camera lines up, and that just presses in. So it has a hole for the rear facing camera and the speaker. Yeah, that's a pretty good deal. And it acts as a stand somehow, just like that. Is that how that works? So with this cover, it has this little crease, so you can bend that back, and it acts as sort of like how you would stand up a picture frame, I guess, like that. If you can see that. Just fold it like this, and it stands it up. I don't know, yeah, you can't really, doesn't seem like it's knocking over that much. It does seem to be magnetic. I don't know if I'm imagining that it is being drawn into the case. Yeah, that's being attracted. Yeah, I guess that's okay. Has sort of a textured non-stick surface in the center here for the majority of the surface area. And like I said, let's see, it's supposed to be able to stand up on this way too. Same idea. So these are the apps available right off the bat. Recent apps used. Just have to get used to the response time on this, a little different than what I'm used to. But this is the Amazon Fire 7-inch tablet with the cover, Fire cover. Now this isn't a true Android device, so I don't know if there are any hacks that you could install on this. I'm not certain. Supposedly there's all these ads that are supposed to be popping up when you're using this. That's part of the reason why the price is so low. But there's nothing really annoying right now, I can tell. Silk browser. Go explore the web. Your favorite websites will show up here as you explore the web. So that's YouTube. Not certain. So I'm looking at YouTube through the browser, and not a specific app. So anyways, this is the Amazon 7-inch Fire tablet. This is the 2016 model. Hope you found this video interesting. Please like, subscribe, and/or comment, and thanks for watching.